Today's question is very common and actually very important. How many mutual funds you should actually own? Before we get there, this is day 4 of learning investment basics with me. Let's get one thing clear first. There's no magic number. The ideal number depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. But yes, there's a sensible range, especially for beginners and intermediate investors. For most investors with long-term investment goals, 2 to 4 diversified funds are more than enough, as long as they cover different market segments. So instead of focusing on how many funds you own, focus on how balanced your portfolio is. So a simple, well diversified portfolio can look like this. One large cap or index fund, like a Nifty 50 index fund. So this gives you exposure to India's strongest and most established companies across multiple sectors. So these businesses tend to be more stable, and over the long term, they grow along with the economy. One flexi cap fund. A flexi cap fund invests across large, mid, and small cap companies. So this allows the fund manager to adjust exposure based on market conditions and opportunities. So it adds growth potential while still keeping diversification with one fund. And if you want international exposure, an S&P 500 fund gives you access to top 500 companies in the United States. So this adds global diversification and reduces dependence on just one country's economy. It's meant to complement Indian investments, not replace them. Then comes the gold and silver. So gold and silver are not meant for high returns. They often behave differently from equity markets and can help during periods of market stress or economic uncertainty. Their role is for stability and balance. But if your goal is something short term, maybe 1 to 2 years, one short duration debt fund or a liquid fund is better suited for stability and liquidity. That's it. That's your ideal portfolio. Simple, well diversified, and spread across market segments. So understand this. You don't build wealth by owning many mutual funds. You build wealth by staying invested in the right funds for a long time.